Why did we do that?
I have no idea.
What's that in the... Oh my gosh. It's Articuno.
Oh no, not Articuno Jr. At least that's the entire Articuno family. But you did the wrong sound when you land. Okay, we do that. Okay, that's better. Okay.
Sheesh.
Anyways, Articuno Jr. We. Wait, what? We. Oh, that we over there? Yeah, no, it's cool. No. We. Yeah, there's a we over there.
¿Cómo te spell two?
What?
¿Cómo te spell two?
Comet, tell me two. Comet is a thing in the space. Tell me is like, tell me this. Me that. But two is a number. I can hold it, but if I two hands. 2 feet. Oops. 2 feet. Oh my goodness. Don't you understand? Articuno Jr. has a French virus. What? It's a French disease. It will happen to legendary birds. Okay, but what does that have to do? He only understands and speaks French.
¿Cómo te spell two?
What does that mean?
Ciao.
Wait, no! Oh no! You lost him and oh my goodness! What happened now? I told you, he is a French disease. And it will only go away if you do it thoroughly. Yes, I understand it, but you don't.
Come on. How are we supposed to understand him?
You could look up the dictionary.
Oh, I don't have time for dictionaries. That stinks.
Let's go after him. I want to get cheeseburgers! Okay, here he is.
Aide-moi. Aide-moi.
What does that mean? Aid me?
Aide-moi. Aide-moi. Aide-moi.
I don't know what that ought to be. Wait, what? Dang it. Anyways, are you gonna help?
Shiba!
Dang it. Why are those two sitting over there? Maybe you're having a birthday party. Let's go get them. There he is. There he is. Shh, shh. That's what I think. That's it. Dang, how am I supposed to catch a French person? He speaks French! Oh. Let's go find him. Wow, thanks. You're welcome. Didn't we already go this way? Wonder where he is. Articuno Jr. Articuno. Articuno Jr. You might want to turn the flash on if I could. Oh my goodness! Oh, I'll kick your butt! Oh Oh my gosh. I hate this guy. Ah! Amanda! Oh, dang, we lost them! Again! It happens every time I do this. Oh no. Don't tell me you're doing this again. Oh man. Don't tell me you're gonna attack me again. I hate that day on the Friday the 13th parody. Not parody, it's not making fun of the movie. Anyways. What's he gonna do to me? Wait, you can't talk it. No, you're an idiot. You're a big fat idiot. Oh my gosh. Why did I call him that? That you're a beautiful, handsome man. Ah! 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 Don't hit the cow! Ah! Why are you doing this to me? Ah! I won't do it. I can't beat it. That's what I call a baby. Amanda! It's okay. You can do whatever you want. Like,
I want to dance. Awesome.
don't do this again. Ah! Oh my gosh. Amanda? Ah! Aide-moi! 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 Come on! Seriously, Articuno Jr., speak to me. Oh, come on! Yeah, we saw this and we played like 10 times already. Oh my gosh. Articuno Jr., speak to me. What happened? He can speak English again! Oh, Articuno Jr., I missed you so much. I missed you so much. Well, I'll be friends. I'll be your friend. Yay! Thanks, Father.
You're welcome.
Yay!